This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use hanging indents in Google Slides. Here I have a slide and I have this paragraph, and I want to have a hanging indent, which means having the topmost line appear all the way to the left and then indenting the rest of the paragraph. You can do this by highlighting your text, then right-clicking and selecting Format Options, or while the text is highlighted, go to Format at the top and select Format Options. When you click on that, this box will appear on the right, and you want to click on Text Fitting. From there, go to where it says Special, click on that, and then you can either choose to change the indentation of the first line or all of the other lines by using the hanging indent. And since we're talking about hanging indents, that's what we're going to do. So click on that. It's very small, but you may have seen this shift to the right a little bit. And if you want the indentation to be more, all you need to do is click the up arrow or type in the number of inches you would like the text to move. So I'm going to press that up button, and now you can see that all of the lines below the first line have a hanging indent. So this video shows you how to use a hanging indent in Google Slides. If you would like to learn how to do this in Google Docs, click on the video here. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.